Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn sea animal names with my collections. Clownfish, sea turtle, hammerhead shark, clownfish, frog, crab, clownfish, lobster, shark, pufferfish, starfish, square, orca, anglefish, octopus, crab, walrus, crocodile, jellyfish, leopard shark, starfish, blue shark, clownfish, dolphin, crab, dolphin, whale, penguin, Monterey, sperm whale, shark, one more shark, octopus, jellyfish, walrus, octopus, squid, blue tongue, sea turtle, lobster, jellyfish, seal, crab, swordfish, orca, sea turtle, squid, seahorse, dolphin, starfish, seahorse, whale, clownfish, octopus, tiger shark, stingray,